Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we will see how to create a one 3D part. So firstly click on start button in mechanical design and part design. Then select the top plane and click on a sketch. Again select a circle command and draw one circle and give the dimension of this circle. So here diameter is 20. So give the dimension as a diameter is 20 and click on OK. Again select another circle. So again select circle command and click here and give radius is 18. So radius is 18. Again we have to draw 5 circles around this circle. So again click on circle and draw its circle in constructions mode. So click on constructions and click here and give the dimension. Diameter is 90 degree. Diameter is 90 mm. So 90 mm. Again one small circle here create on this circle and his radius is 6. So click on a radius and give the radius is 6. Again then select a line and from this point to this point create one line. Again from this point to this point draw one line and give the tangency to this line to this point. So select this line, click on a control and select this circle and give the tangency to this line to this circle. Click on a tangency and give the tangency. So again control this control because already this circle is tangent, so we can't give again and again. So again here inside one circle and remove this circle. So here radius is diameter is 6 mm. So 6 mm and unwanted portion we have to delete. So unwanted this circle and also this mirror, this above something angles. So exit the sketch and pad this sketch up to 20 degree, 20 mm. So 20 mm. Then again circular pattern, use circular pattern and instance we have to 5 times rotate this portion. So select the instance of 5 and 40 degree. Then references element this object, references element click on this sketch create a line. So again click on a circular pattern, here 5, again current object this, and plane, this plane, again this plane, it's 45 not possible, so here 5, so 360 upon 5 and preview. So 1 5 circle, because we have to rotate this portion in 5 times, so our total circle is 360, so 360 divided by 5, so here 72 degree angle is perfect for this portion, and select this preview and OK. Here one portion, our portion is created. Again select this face and create one sketch. So here one circle is drawn, so one circle here is drawn, and here radius is 7, so click on radius and do the radius is 7 mm. Again from this point to this point if distance is 27, so from select this point and so select this line, so this line is not selected, so one command is intersect 3D edge, so click on this lines, because here is not edge, okay, so here is not edge, this portion is circular, so in that situation we can't project this line, so here one command is project 3D edge, so select this command and project this line. Again we have to isolate this line, so right click and select isolate, and from this point to this line distance is 27 and weight, so this line is not required, so this lines we are deleting. Radius 27, again select this line and project this line, so select line and project this line. Again unwanted portion we have to remove, so remove this circle, remove this line, remove these lines. Again also below this portion we have to create the same features, so select again circle and draw circle, give dimensions, radius is 7, again select this line, project this line, and unwanted portion we have to remove, so remove this portion and exit the sketch bar, so remove this portion from this, so using pocket command we can remove the portion of, so mirror this and remove this portion from this object. Okay, again select the circular pattern and remove this portion and select this axis, remove this portion and click on OK. So now our portion is created. So thank you for watching for this video. So please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.